Yo, what's going on, everybody? Jermaine Lee Monster Steel here, recording this quick video for you guys. I'm super excited. I've been getting a lot of people asking me, how have I made so much money, accumulated so much savings, I should say, because that's what I actually call Robinhood and Webull, which you might have typed into YouTube, Robinhood, Webull, how to trade stocks, things like that. Well, it's not necessarily trading. This is just me showing you guys, giving you guys an exact breakdown of exactly what comes inside of Webull and Robinhood, what kind of tools you get inside of there, what kind of things you can expect, and really just how to kind of take little small stocks, invest your money, and make that a long term. But before we go into anything else, make sure you like, subscribe to this channel. I've got a lot of valuable training on this channel. Head over to Traveling Beast channel, subscribe, guys. You're going to see videos from Bing pay-per-click, how to use IBO Toolbox, DSM Tool, JVZoo reviews, so on and so forth. So make sure to subscribe there, guys. And today, where I want to start is, again, I get a lot of people asking me, they see I post my screenshots on my story on Facebook, or maybe I'm sharing personally with people on Facebook, or whatever the case may be. But the fact is, we've been able to buy into like Roku, which is a stock. And I'm going to back up here for the newbies here in just a minute. But we bought Roku at $32. It's now trading at almost $140. We bought Shopify at $100. It's now trading at $550, which is huge. So again, here in just a minute, I'm going to break down how you guys can utilize stocks and affiliate links inside of Facebook groups using pay-per-click affiliate promotions, and then friends and family. So there's a lot of different ways to promote them. So a lot of people just want to, they want my signals. So they want to say, Jermaine, let me give you guys an example. They want to say, Jermaine, okay, is it a good time to buy Roku, right? So let me show you guys the Roku stock. For those that don't know how stocks work, while I'm going into this to find the Roku stock price, the way that stocks work, guys, is that if a company does well, then they make more, revenue, they have more profits, and they pay out dividends, and you're actually making money, all right? If a company does horrible, or something happens to a company, or they shut down, like Toys R Us, that stock must have sank from wherever it was to nothing, right, in a matter of time, right? So let's do Toys R Us stock. I'm going to go back to Roku here in just a minute. I know I'm jumping, but obviously it doesn't exist, but I'm hoping I can find a ticker that will show me where it was, when it crashed. Let's see. Anyway, the point is, guys, that companies that close down, like Toys R Us or any of the other companies out there that may have shut down, Forever 21, their stocks are going to sink to the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the Roku stock. On the opposite side, when you buy stock at, let's just say $30, all right? So I bought it, let's see here. Oh, I bought it must have been more than 2 years ago then, because I bought it right around here. Right around there. So yeah, about 2-ish years ago, maybe 2 years and 2 months, I bought into Roku at $33 a share. As you guys can see, it's traded as high as $169. So if you bought one share at $30 and it traded at $169, you're going to make $139 in profits, right? Or excuse me, if it's at $169, yep. So you're going to make $139 in profits. Now, if you buy two stocks, you're going to make, double that, right? So the real win here, guys, is saving, okay? So, there's a lot of information on here. If you just come over to check on stocks and funds, options, gold, crypto. They even sell cryptocurrency here. So my gift to you guys by signing up for Robinhood and for Webull within this video, guys, is I'm going to give you guys a private training breakdown on exactly how you can utilize Facebook groups to promote stocks, okay? You can utilize pay-per-click promotions like we do, and you can basically tell friends and family, and this is through the way of Facebook videos and just really posting on Facebook. Okay, but I'm gonna go more in depth into that. All you got to do is sign up through my link for Robinhood and Webull. If you already have it, grab one or the other, and I'll make sure I include you. Shoot me an email at travelingbeasts with an S at the end, travelingbeasts@gmail.com, and I'll make sure that I get you that information. All right, so back over to stocks and funds. Again, there's a lot of information here you guys can learn. So it'll give you the transaction is here. Let's say you invested $20, stocks go up $2, boom, you made $2. All right, but the key is really holding long term and seeing your portfolio grow. I mean, our portfolio has grown tremendously over the course of the last 4 years, right? And that's just from investing every single month, like 200, 500, whatever it is that we want to put aside in our savings, because basically that's what I consider this, with interest, a savings with huge interest, right? If you buy the right stocks. So that's the key. Not only am I going to give you access to these three, things here to promote these links, but I'm going to give you access and tell you guys what stocks I purchase, when's a good time to buy them, that I feel, and things of that nature. Okay, now it's not professional advice. This is off the cuff advice. All right, so understanding the stock market, stocks are bought and sold on stock markets, which bring together buyers and sellers of publicly traded company shares. Stock markets operate kind of like auctions, where potential buyers name their highest price and potential sellers name their lowest price. The actual price is traded and executed at somewhere between the bid and the ask. Trades can be placed by stockbrokers, usually on behalf of portfolio managers or individual investors just like you. So if you're an individual investor like myself, right? This is an example. You could purchase Snapchat, which I did, and it's did nothing but sink, really, or stay level right where it's at. So I bought, I think, Snapchat at like, $27, and I don't know where it's trading at now, but I lost on that trade, okay? So that's probably not too encouraging for you to listen to me, but I share that because there's wins and losses when it comes to the stock market, right? And you got to take the losses with the wins. Now, overall, our portfolio has grown, thousands and thousands, literally, of dollars from what we've invested, right? So that should give you an idea of where we're at. But I wanted to give everybody that's watching this video, that comes through our YouTube channel, that gets our free training, just basically some kind of emphasis on, look, invest in yourself. My kids invest in these things. My oldest, he's going to be 21 in May. He's already invested in Robinhood. He's invested in crypto. These are things you can pass on to your kids. All right. So Webull is a very similar platform. All right. So the reason I picked these two is because they both have a program where you can promote the link and you can get free stocks. Okay. So literally all you would have to do is use one of these three techniques. Or you can create, look, fourth one would be create a YouTube video such as this one, right? And you can easily gain traffic that way, right? So as you can see, obviously, on this video, as time has progressed, obviously not in a day or two, but there's going to be more and more videos on this based on the keywords I use on this video, right? So if you guys are interested in, trading stocks or holding stocks, buying stocks at a low price, buy through my link. All right, guys, we'll both get some free stocks, and I'll put you into my free information all about these 4 different ways where you can promote yourself. All right, guys, so time for me to get going. I got to head to the office. Jermaine Lead Monster still. I'll see you guys on the inside. If you got some value, subscribe to the YouTube channel, share, like, comment, whatever, ask questions, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.